We are seeing ads each and every day. A lot, like consumption of social media is at peak of our, I think one of the thing that we do every day, each day, at least 2, 3, 4, 5 even hours a day. Seeing all that, seeing there are so many brands, so many D2C brands, so many campaigns, so many different out of box ideas, and that basically interests me. Hi, my name is Vanshika Azad. I was in Craftshala MLP batch 12. Currently, I am working with Adiyogi as a senior associate. So I joined Adiyogi in around February last year, 2023, and till now I'm with them. 2 months ago, I was promoted and became senior associate. So my Craftshala journey was actually very interesting, I would say, because that was my career switch. Earlier, I was YouTube analyst, and then I joined the Craftshala batch, and then now I am into digital marketing, which I always wanted to do since my school time, I would say. So I remember in class 12 there was a chapter in business marketing something, and it was like marketing mix, 4 piece of marketing mix. That chapter and how my teacher taught it was somewhat that in, like I had an interest in marketing since then. Marketing was there in my mind. I did a few courses on Udemy, from Google as well, just to explore my options and just to see what marketing actually is, what digital marketing is actually is. But after that, I got into DU in English honors, so I took that because English was also one of my core strengths. So I took it like English honors, and then COVID hit, everything was online, so I did a few internships here and there of marketing also, from graphic designing also. And then I landed into Vedantu, where I was a quality analyst, and after that I landed into full-time job in Vedantu only. So my career took a switch to from English honors to YouTube quality analyst. And then after that, I then joined Byju's Topper, that was there earlier. It was acquired by Byju, so I was in Topper again as a YouTube quality analyst only. Then I was like, I just don't want to do it anymore. I just want to get myself into digital marketing, because that was at a very boom at that point of time. So I left my job. I searched for a lot of courses on digital marketing. When I actually researched about digital marketing and the courses there, everybody was giving the same kind of curriculum, that website development, then SEO, then organic, then Facebook ads, Google ads. But nobody was actually, I would say, that guaranteeing that they will teach us in depth, or they will give us a job guarantee. Because when I was also searching for different jobs, I was seeing that almost every job needs experience, right? Nobody is taking freshers. Even I had the internship experience, but internship experience is not that work experience that they want. So when I joined Craftshala, I researched about Craftshala. I talked to a lot of alumni there, that how is Craftshala, is it even worth it or not? And then I rolled into Craftshala in October batch MLP 12. I just saw Craftshala's ad on Instagram, because I was searching for a lot of digital marketing courses, so it popped up. I researched about the course on the website. Then I saw that it is a full-time batch and a full-time course, and I wanted something full-time only because I was not currently working till then, and all the other courses were like 2, 3 hours a day, or alternative days. I didn't want that. I wanted my full focus to be gone into digital marketing, and it was a full-time course. Second, it was giving me a job guarantee because I wanted to have a career switch. And also third, that it was a 3 months full-time, very focused course, and that was also based on just the ads and not all aspects of digital marketing. But what I wanted to get into, performance marketing, it was actually giving me that. So it was something that interests me, and it was something that that was the whole reason I got into Craftshala. I always say this even in my interviews also, and whenever somebody asks me, is that I like how dynamic digital marketing, especially performance marketing, is, right? We are seeing ads each and every day. A lot, like consumption of social media is at peak of our, I think one of the things that we do every day, each day, at least 2, 3, 4, 5 even hours a day. So seeing all that, seeing there are so many brands, so many D2C brands, so many campaigns, so many different out of box ideas, and that basically interests me. And second is the remarketing. I would always say that is something that interests me. I click on a product, I see the product 1 second, and the next second I'm getting an ad for it. So how dynamic, how algorithm oriented everything is, that is something that is actually, like, I feel good about digital marketing. And whenever I wake up wake up any day, I'm not regretting my decision in life. I'm just happy that, yeah, I'm a digital marketer, I'm going to office, I'm running campaigns for these brands, and I'm happy with that. Actually, I enjoyed the most was doing the assignments with the cohorts. That was my favorite part, because seeing the videos, I know it is a bit overwhelming as well, seeing all the videos in that specific time range, specific timeline. But then doing the assignments and putting all the learnings that you have into in that one assignment, with like 4 or 5 people giving their thought, giving their inputs, and then we, do everything, and the outcome that we have was my best part about Crowdshala. And second, I would say that soft skills also actually helped me a lot, because what I am currently today, I was not that 2 years ago. I was a very introvert person. I didn't know how to talk to people, how to strike a conversation. But actually, soft skill helped me to say and express myself in a certain way, in a deliver myself in a certain way, and to understand people in a certain way. So that has actually helped me in my life as well. So when I joined Crowdshala, I was very focused that I can't take any leaves. I can't go to any place. I can't go. I can take a leave. Even in my full Crowdshala journey, I didn't take even one leave. I was that, I was that focused on that. Again, and second, I think the timetable that we have and the timetable that was given to us was actually very well curated. It was like given, like, this is the certain time that you have to do this. This is a certain time that you have to put your assignment in. That is a certain time that you have your classes on. But that was actually, that helped us to build our timetable. That has helped us to manage our time better. But again, we thought at that point of time that we cannot do certain things. We reached out to our SSTs, and they would help us to manage the time or to extend our deadlines. So that was a very helpful thing from them as well. Yes, I would say that there was a different. So basically, in Adyogi, we had a 1 month long training. So the training that we got, even there were freshers, there were experienced person, and then there, me and one of my colleague also joined Pravshala Adyogi at that point of time. So understanding those training and getting a hang of that training, getting a hang of a dashboard was a lot easier than as compared to other people, because 3 months long we were doing that certain thing, right? And we were just talking about digital marketing. We were giving plans, media plans, analysis, everything. So whenever there were training, or whenever we were assigned a client, it was a little easier to get a grab of everything and get learn it a lot better as compared to others, because we were experienced in that. One thing I would say, that it's never too late to switch your career. If you think you have an interest in marketing, if you think you can do marketing, if you think you have the out of box ideas, go for it. Digital marketing is so vast that you will get, even if it's not in performance marketing, it will be in SEO. If not in SEO, it will be in graphic design, but you will get your interest where you are. I would just suggest that before enrolling to any course, just read about it, what the dynamics are, how what all are there in digital marketing, and then go for maybe a small course and then any bigger course if you want. But I think theory is very important, but hands-on experience is also very important in marketing. So just go, like, take both hand in hand, and then only you'll be able to succeed in digital marketing career. I would say just give your 100%. You will get overwhelmed. You will, at a point of time, also think that I can't do it. You will also enjoy the process. It is tiring, like giving 12 hours a day, even like six weeks, 6 days a week. it's a long process, it's a trying process, no doubt, but I would say just give your 100%. That 3-4 weeks that are given to you, give your 100%, do your homework, whatever is given, do the assignments properly. Like, give your, again, give your 100% is somewhat that I would give the advice to the newcomers, whoever is joining MLP batches.